Hello everyone, welcome back to the Aspen channel. Today we will learn how to calculate vapor pressure and boiling point. As you know that these two properties are important while we are dealing distillation column, because in distillation columns the separation takes place on the basis of difference in boiling points or relative volatility, in which vapor pressure gives the information about the volatility of a component. High vapor pressure means high volatile and low vapor pressure means low volatile. So to calculate these properties, we have selected our component ethylene, whose flow rate is 1 kg per hour. So we have to do two tasks in our simulation study. First is to calculate vapor pressure of ethylene at 5 degrees centigrade. Second is to calculate boiling point of ethylene at 1 bar. So quickly going to Aspen HYSYS, first we will add the component ethylene. As you see, ethylene appears over here, but I have searched by simulation name. If you search by full name, you see you cannot find ethylene over here. So it's necessary for you to write accurate condition for search by. This component is added. As this is a hydrocarbon component, so we will use Peng-Robinson as we have discussed in our video number 5 as well. Going to simulation, click material stream, paste it over here, double click it. You have been given flow rate of 1 kg mole per hour. Composition, obviously it will be 1 because only a single component is involved. Now you have given values of two variables till now. Third one, as you know, is 5 degrees centigrade. So you will add it over here as 5 degrees centigrade, but it hasn't converged yet. Why? Because it needs four properties to be added, as we have discussed several times in our previous videos, that its degree of freedom is 4. Now which parameter to be added? We haven't given any information about pressure because we have to compute it. It means that we have to give value of this vapor phase fraction. Now as we all know that bubble point is the point at which first drop of liquid starts to boil, and this can be achieved in Aspen HYSYS by specifying vapor value as 0, and dew point is opposite. By specifying vapor value of 1, we can specify dew point, and bubble point can be specified by giving a vapor value of 0. So this pressure has come out as 45.93 bar. It means that this is the vapor pressure of ethylene at 5 degrees centigrade. So we have computed our first task. Now calculate boiling point of ethylene at 1 bar. So what we will do now, we will double click on it. We won't disturb this value. We will just remove 5 degrees centigrade and we will give a pressure of 1 bar. And you see the boiling point is minus 104.3 degrees centigrade. So this is how you calculate vapor pressure and boiling point of any component which you will be using in distillation column. I have one question for you. Calculate vapor pressure of ethylene at 10 degrees centigrade and check whether any answer comes or not. Let me take back to you to properties, to the component list, and I will double click on it. And as you see, when you double click on it, it gives you the properties: base properties, molecular weight, normal boiling point, ideal liquid density. Critical properties: temperature 9.209, pressure 50.32, volume and eccentricity. I have asked you to calculate the vapor pressure at 10 degrees centigrade and tell me the reason why you are unable to calculate the vapor pressure in comment section. In our next video, we will start from here and we will use a case study to draw a curve between temperature and vapor pressure. So please do watch the video, like the video, share with others and subscribe the channel. Aspen Tech. Till then, it's goodbye. Stay tuned.